Hai, ini sing YTM ni bising tadi.
Bangla में तो आप हिंदी में बांग्ला में
Again, repeat from the beginning. Rajbhavan Hambai, ini sing YouTuber Federation yang kedua YTM. Promoter ni, youth wings di bising tadi sing ini kan saya memang submit kena tu. Sini TM West District. Kami ni hingga waktu tu saya memang. Isi saya social media ni bising tadi sing zekramani nungmani. Abo official order pun kerifano. Zekramani bising tadi YTF सबसे best kamu himi tunggu. Kami hingga sini, jadi sini historical place, sini was the Vanta Palace. Abo sini Governor House was nama jaka. Abo no tabuk sing zekrawo. Boro Government of Tripura. That's group by Boro Kok Sawit or Touch Plus nama. Sing oppose totally condemn te oppose kaya je. Tam ni bagi Himalaya. Hai kebang ma historical place sing kebang ma demolish kaje ma sungnuka. Thang nai CPM amalis him sungnuki fakai je. Swami Vivekananda Maidan, abo agi astobal tongmani hesi. Abo no karibo, sini je nuyungba, Rajbari je khajamani, aro bahani museum samjaka sing abo nuguin je hesi. Every joto solkani tenure no. Abo mai sing tabuk YTF ni bising te sing tabuk aro memorandum na thangi tongo. Tabu ni simi YTF jese tongsa am hai historical place no demolish khaimi ati khai sing tine omo memorandum na thangi tongo. Tamni hinba, sini aro abani itihas, Tripura belanyo rich culture hesi. Rajas, Maharajas, Maharanis only. Oh ha, Oma Antazi Mahake, Demolish Kaja Kankai, Sing Tong Pasong Tong Nai, Sini Bukung Bara especially. Like Joto, all the Robos of the pride Kai Tongman and the Bagay. Yabono discrimination Khaiywi, Yabono Zat Khaiywi, Yaboni Kaisakas, no Sing Tolakila with Tongani Bagay, Amzu, you know, median discount. Aum Banang Kone, Zara, Gavama Tiprasan, Toti Cox Haitan, the Tini Gavama Kamaza Kasi. All my historical monuments, Surajaki, Sokomori, yes, sir. I want to finish proof. Can I? Why do you want to prove? Kayuze, Japropano, Sing Buskanga, Siklara, Bubagrani, Bisinte, Sinti Prasani Coxo, Sinti Prasani, rights, Janona, Amazon, Fulville, and by Sintini, White and Bisinte, Sintino.
now ni non party ni khoroksa MLA omno allegation khayo omo onathasi omo ere si khanchana sabanya bagasi omo kun khaija gama hene je koksu cha tongo amna tui nungta ba sanamu chong
am hai MLA dam sanai am hai jere tumono sine MLA fa sin to han kai concern minister damang khaba Bozulin tourism minister ka bori play chang am ni bagai सब समय lupa bas kanga phai jebel bebang nukjak sijang ni saksana asa proof khane ni musumba bubak rasa sini boki naki bosini Tripura mot spokesperson ni ba bubak rasa sini all in all sini Tripura mot hoba ya leader kare one and only bubak rasa sini Maharaja Pradil Bikram Kishan Mani ko bini leadership sini joto acha ki humaisi abun bising tai kare ke sini leader kare tomuno sini Tripura mot ko spokesperson samjaya ko bono bonga hangai bori play to botam play na dorka ba sing tini aro Sengora indicate Kayo to the chief minister and to the tourism minister. Baru reply the song. Baru reply na baki. Being an ML na ML kabang matong le. Sini tay Tripura mo tatong. Baru na bertangan dia ban tangan riba som bes tangan pai. Nungsa ni social media bo nini footage punugay nini je pungo phone ni. Abar na kisa bondo khage chao. Singtan bai phai kon abun main focus kare ni bai ang koi. Tripura mo.
ये वाला बांग्ला तक माने हिंदी ते कोई जलन अच्छा
Thank you to all the media friends today we on behalf of YTM. As you all know that yesterday by some from the news which came from the social media that Vanta Palace is going to demolish and the government of Tripura has trying to give to that group of industry for 4,000. See, for this reason we oppose. We on behalf of YTM we oppose such act which is being taken by the government of Tripura. We don't oppose tax to be created in some places. We have many lands, like we have created hotel polo towers, we have many lands. Why does the government of Tripura give a land to create a hotel, 5-star hotel? It's good for us. But instead of that, why do you want to demolish the historical place called Vanta Palace, which was built by Maharaja Birendra Kishan Mani in the 1917? So this is the reason, man. This is the main reason we today on behalf of YTM going to submit a memorandum to DM West. So all these kind of acts not should be repeated again and again. As we all know, in the past last CPM regime, everything has been changed. Last it was Astobal Maidan. Now it was a Swami Maidan. And in front of Rajbari, they have changed their names. in museum. Pujanta Palace was named after Tripura State Museum, and I'm very much proud during that time. The student organization, they protest, and at least we can put the name of Pujanta Palace. This is the reason we YTF condemn this kind and we oppose such kind of act which is being taken by the government of Tripura not to repeat again and again to demolish our culture and heritage. Tripura has a very rich culture for all over, not only for Tripura, not only for Bengalis, for everyone. So I just ask the government of Tripura not to do such untoward acts which harm the sentiments of the people of Tripura.
YTF long live! Long live! Long live! YTF long live! Long live! Long live! Bubakar long live! Long live! Long live! Bubakar long live! Long live! Long live! Puspa want to place the hotel Sranani Bondo Maklanye! Maklanye! Puspa want to place the hotel Sranani Bondo Maklanye! Maklanye! Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! Hake choba choli ka! Choli ka! Choli ka! We want justice! 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 We want justice! 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 No justice, no rest! No rest! No rest! No justice, no rest! No rest! No rest! People want to place the hotel Sranani Bondo Maklanye! 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 People want to place the hotel Sranani Bondo Maklanye! 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 Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! Long live! Long live! Long live! YTF long live! Long live! Long live! DWF long live! Long live! Long live! DWF long live! Long live! Long live! Purani history no hale pina crime mane bondo maklanye! 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 Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! Are bhikonai to mane bondo maklanye! 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 Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! We want justice! 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 We want justice! 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 No justice, no rest! No rest! No rest! No justice, no rest! No rest! No rest! We want justice! 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 We want justice! 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 Tripurani history no hana pina khoi mane bondo maklanye! 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 Tripurani history no hana pina khoi mane bondo maklanye! 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 Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! Hake choba choli nay! Choli nay! Choli nay! We want justice! Justice! Justice!
네, भाई.
No rest! No rest!
아니 그?
No rest! No rest! We want justice! 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 No justice! No rest! No rest! No rest! Choli